Are you a parent looking to develop your child's early math skills? Do you want them to excel in math using the Japanese abacus because you've heard about its incredible benefits? Or are you simply ready to support their abacus learning journey at home but don't know where to start? If so, I'd be delighted to help you get started with abacus learning at home. Hi, I'm Big Y. I began learning the Japanese abacus in kindergarten and continued for 8 years at a certified Japanese abacus school. Although I am still a high school student, I have the experience, skill, and passion to teach the abacus. I previously created abacus tutorial videos for kids, but I realized that they were too challenging for young kids to follow and learn on their own. That's why I'm now creating new tutorial videos specifically for parents, so you can support your kids as they learn at home. The first abacus tutorial video will be available by August 16th, and I will continue to upload a new lesson video every week. Please subscribe now to be notified when new lessons are available. Before you begin your abacus journey, please have the following ready: a Japanese-style abacus, an abacus workbook, and a short pencil. Let me explain each item in more detail. You will need a Japanese abacus. While I recommend a made-in-Japan, wooden ball, 23-digit abacus, especially with the reset button, such as those from Tomo or Anshudo, it is okay to use a plastic ball, smaller abacus for beginners, especially if you are testing to see if your child will enjoy learning the abacus. If you have a Daiso nearby, you can get a plastic 13-digit abacus there for about $4 to $5. You can also find 13 to 15-digit abacuses on Amazon for about $10. However, remember that wooden balls are much easier to work with as your child becomes more proficient with the abacus, and they will eventually need the wooden ball abacus. I have tried some Japanese abacuses on Amazon and have written reviews on my blog. Please visit my blog before you make a purchase. The link for this blog article is listed in the description below. Ensure you buy a Japanese-style abacus, which has 1 upper bead and 4 lower beads per rod. Avoid Chinese abacuses, which have 2 upper beads and 5 lower beads, as well as vintage styles, colored beads, or abacuses with larger than standard beads. Also, avoid used abacuses since you never know how they were used or stored, and the bead movement should be smooth enough for proper operation. You will also need an abacus workbook to use with my abacus lesson videos. I created workbooks, Part 1 and Part 2, for addition and subtraction, with over 1,000 problems. You can download them for free from my abacus tutorial website. The link is listed in the description below. You will also need a short pencil, about 4 inches long, for easier operation. Since you grab your pencil while working with the abacus, a shorter pencil will be easier to hold and won't disturb the operation. Additionally, you can quickly write down an answer after you get it. As a parent, you can play an important role in your child's abacus learning journey by teaching the abacus using my tutorial videos and workbooks, checking the answers in the workbooks, encouraging your child's progress, and asking me any questions that may arise. Regular practice is essential, with either 30 minutes daily or 2 15-minute sessions each day, as young children have limited concentration spans. In my abacus tutorial group, many parents choose to learn the abacus themselves to better support their children at home. Your involvement is important, especially for at-home learning. This approach provides a wonderful extracurricular activity with no commute, flexible scheduling, lower costs, and effective math skill building. I'm excited to be part of this abacus learning journey with you and your child. Let's make each step enjoyable and impactful. See you soon, and thank you.